Hi and welcome back to CloudNets, where networks meet cloud. Today we're going to talk about edge and core. Practically edge is in, core is out, and for that we brought our expert for edge, core, in and out, Ran.
And beyond.
And beyond. Thank you for joining, Ran. Edge compute, edge networking, telco cloud, all those buzzwords mean one thing. The content, the essence of the network, the cloud instances are moving to the edge of the network, to the edge of the cloud. That means they want to be closer to the subscribers. They need to be closer to you, who consume the content and all the good stuff that there is in the cloud. But there's a right way and there's an efficient way to do it. And for that, Ran, what do we need to know?
Basically, 3 points.
Surprise.
It's a surprising 3 points. First off is that you want to utilize your network in an efficient way. Taking your service from where it's being consumed all the way to the core and back consumes a lot of resource of the network in between. You want to avoid that, so you want to get the services closer to the subscriber. Point number 2, you want as many service points to be available. You want it distributed. So if you have fewer points, then you cover a lot more distance in order to get to these. So you want them distributed. And thirdly, you want to have this connection point where the network meets the cloud reduced. Whenever you have the network meeting the cloud, it's a failure point of the network. You need to apply redundancy over redundancy. There is a lot of overhead and there is a lot of cost embedded in this connection point. What you want to do is minimize this connection point and in fact embed the service directly onto the network.
Okay, so that's interesting. So first, and this is the things we need to remember, in order to do this edge trend efficiently and the right way, we need to take the cloud and the instances of the compute and the workloads as close as possible to the customer. So this reduces all the traffic going to the core and back and burns out a lot of resources. Second, you want to distribute it as much as possible because the more points of service or workloads you have across the entire infrastructure, the greater the chance you will be close to one of those. And the third, and this is I think the most important one, is that you want to blend, you want to merge the infrastructure of the cloud, of the workloads, of the compute with the network infrastructure because this is more efficient and this is how you avoid these cloud network interfaces which cost a lot of money and cause a lot of trouble. Did I get it right?
You got it right. The bottom line is that you want to have the service as close as possible to the subscribers. You can't get it closer than being within the network itself.
Absolutely. Yeah. Thank you very much, Ran. Thank you for joining. See you next time on CloudNet. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.